Hello and welcome back to IntelliCloudware. My name is Janardhan and I would be your Salesforce instructor. And this tutorial is basically for those who wants to change their career to Salesforce. This is going to be a great idea and this is going to be a great video tutorial for all those who would like to learn about Salesforce. Now, before we go ahead and talk about Salesforce, I would like to um, brief you about what exactly you would be learning from this tutorial. Now, the very first thing that you would learn about this tutorial is the basic understanding of Salesforce, the cloud computing, and the configuration on Salesforce. From there, you would also start learning about how to develop a custom application using Salesforce through a force.com platform. And also, you would learn how to code. Initially, you don't need any coding. You don't require any coding in the initial stage. But down the line, once you start learning the configuration, you would start learning about the coding as well. So I would give you the easiest way to learn Salesforce. Now, what is that you would learn in Salesforce? You would learn very many things on Salesforce. Now, before you learn, I would just give you a briefing about this cloud computing. What is cloud computing and how does it work? And what are the significant features that you have in Salesforce where you can design an application on declarative method. Now, coming coming to the cloud computing, what is cloud computing? Most of us been talking in the industry, wherever you go, they start talking about cloud computing. Well, cloud computing is nothing but it's a resource that gives you a specific purpose to all the users. Now, it is a concept of accessing infrastructure, platform, and software as a service over the internet. All right. So there are three services, like I said, that is IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. So IaaS is nothing but an infrastructure as a service, which lets you access infrastructure such as application server, storage server over the internet. And the platform as a service, PaaS, we call it as. It is a concept of accessing a platform such as any programming language on which an application is built over the internet. Now, when we talk about the SaaS, Salesforce by itself, it is a SaaS. It is a concept of accessing a software application over the internet. Example, there are a lot of Salesforce, there's something called as a Salesforce CRM, which is a built-in. Also, CRM is also built-in, where you need to enable that partner relationship management. All right. So, what is really the benefit on Salesforce? So, when we look at that, it really benefits in various methods. So, one is it's a cost effective, and the second is you can increase your storage as and when it's needed, and moreover, user friendly. And on top of it, it's very flexible. You don't need to install any software. You don't need to have any hardware installation. And it is accessible anywhere in the world. Now, what it means is you can log in anywhere, wherever you have an internet. Just you need to have a laptop or a computer where you can hook up to the internet and start working on Salesforce. It's as simple as that. And when we talk about other thing on that, it is low maintenance and low risk. So you don't have to have any worries about the the application performance, like how the Facebook works. Similarly, the Salesforce also work in that standards. And it has a multi-tenant architecture, which is absolutely known to everyone. So now when we look at Salesforce, one of the best uh, approaches that they have a three release every year, which means there is an enhancement that goes on every year, like summer release, winter release, and spring release. So these three releases happens every year, which means there is an enhancement for every new releases. Enhancement for every new releases. Now, I hope you all understand what is cloud computing. Now, with this, what is that we are going to work on Salesforce? The first thing is we will start working on how to create a Salesforce developer org credential first. So let me show you how to create. It's a very simple. All you need to do is you need to go to developer.salesforce.com. That's it. Go onto this particular URL, type in that URL onto your search bar, and then sign up. Once you sign up, here's a form where you need to key in all your information and just go ahead and become get a credential of developer edition, which is absolutely free, and it's for a lifetime. It is very similar to a production org. Okay, so all you need to do is you just need to fill in the your information over here, your email address, and the username would be. So once you create, there will be an email notification that will be sent to your email, and there you need to just activate your account for your developer edition. Once you're done with that, then we will start working on how to create Salesforce step by step. Like we'll be start working on organization setup. In the next tutorial, you will learn about how to set up your organization and user setup. So those two in one tutorial. And similarly, you will have another tutorial, video tutorial, which has a security and access and understanding about the standard and custom objects. And similarly, there will be lots of video tutorials that will be coming up, and you will learn so many things out of that. I hope you all understood so far on this, what is Salesforce Cloud Computing and how to create your own developer edition. Please try this and tell me once you're done, and we'll get on to the next video tutorial. Thank you for watching.